Welcome to an area we call Vinca Meadow. It is a beautiful area with a kind-hearted name, but don't let that fool you. There's a sinister plant behind it all. The plant is called Vinca minor, sometimes called periwinkle and myrtle, and it is a hardy plant that grows with little care or attention. It's known for its blue and purple flowers and its glossy, leathery leaves. Vinca minor was first introduced from its native habitat in southern and central Europe into North America in the 1700s as an ornamental plant. It has escaped cultivation and is invading natural areas throughout the eastern United States. It inhabits open to shady sites, including forests, and often escapes from old home sites. Vinca minor, along the forest floor, displaces native herbaceous plants, and its removal is almost impossible, with only digging, cutting, and destroying its roots where feasible. Vinca minor is very successful because of its ability to do colonial colonies. This is a group of genetically identical individuals, such as plants, that have grown in a given location, all originating vegetatively, not sexually, from a single ancestor. And what that means is, if this is the ground down below, and here's your Vinca minor plant growing from the ground with its roots down below, one of its shoots will come out, and when it touches the ground, will reroot and grow another Vinca minor plant. And then one of its shoots will come out and touch the ground, again sprouting roots and creating another Vinca minor plant. And then this process continues on and on and on until you get a thick, dense mat. All plants that originated from an original ancestor back here, and it spreads vegetatively. In the Old House Arboretum, the Vinca meadow that you're standing at is right here on the map. It's probably here because when we talked to the original owners of the property, their original living site was right next to it, where they had a trailer in the 1940s, 50s, and 60s, and probably planted Vinca around there in the gardens, and somehow, either through vegetative waste or trash, placed the plant here, and then through its ability to use colonial colonies, spread and covered this entire section. Now, we're not the only ones here in southeastern Pennsylvania have a problem with Vinca. Vinca minor has been a problem across most of the eastern part of the United States and is invading native habitats all across the states. So today, what we want you to do is two things. Number one, describe the abiotic conditions in which you find this Vinca minor plant growing. And two, go to the edges of the Vinca meadow and look at the plants on the forest floor just beyond, meaning the next 10, 20, 30 feet from the Vinca plants, and describe the difference between the two. And from that, you can determine the impact this plant has on our natural ecosystem. So again, describe the conditions that you see where the Vinca minor is growing, and then walk to the edges of the Vinca meadow and look out and see and describe its impact on the forest ecosystem. When you are done, then just move on to the next study area. Good luck.